The exhibit, Rebellious Women, Celebrating Women's Suffrage, is especially timely in the year 2020. It's the 100th anniversary of women getting the right to vote in the United States. This is the story of the women's journeys, some of them organized locally, some of them nationally. Some of them were treated unkindly, arrested, they went on hunger strikes, they were force-fed. So come and see an exhibit that was curated, researched, installed, and art directed by the students of Visual Studies and Curatorship at Wesleyan.
Getting all the materials was fun. I preferred setting it up because that's more of design, which is more what I like to do.
Learning all these things about how a museum works really helps influence what I want to do after college.
It's really been incredible to research this and understand what these women did and what influenced it and what the response was from our nation.
I worked on groups that were for and against the women's rights movement, and it was actually really interesting to do, and it was really nice to create an exhibit that was based off of fact and less off of art.
So my topic area is second wave feminism at Wesleyan. And through this topic, I was able to explore how Wesleyan students interacted with the movement around them. We ended up selling Equal Rights Amendment bracelets on campus to show support.
My topic area is about the women of color that have been forgotten by history. Not all women got the right to vote in 1920 with the ratification of the 19th Amendment.
Through this exhibit, I was able to learn how to do archival research. It was really enjoyable. It was a really good challenge.